Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Are you getting this annoying memory full message on ChatGPT? Don't worry, I will show you exactly how to fix it in just a few minutes. Go to your ChatGPT account and click on your profile picture. Then go to settings and select personalization. Then click on manage and here click on delete all to clear memory. This removes saved details about you. Memory clear. If you don't want ChatGPT saving details at all, use temporary chat. This way nothing gets stored, so no memory issues. To use temporary chat, click on chat and here click on turn on temporary chat. Click continue. Sometimes the message is just a glitch. Logging out and back and refreshes your sessions can fix the problem. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.